Well, hello again and good day, mates. This is Tommy Tech from Tech Wednesday today. We've had some requests to kind of spice things up a little bit, make it a little bit more entertaining. So I was working on my Australian voice there a little bit, and actually, as I say, all those requests, from all these people to spice things up and make these videos a little bit more interesting, actually has been a total of one request from a person aka Princess in the AIT building, who also has an associate named Nigel. So anyway, we're going to try to make these videos a little bit more entertaining and fun as we go about our day and do our work. So today we have had some requests about uploading documents into Drive, and I'm going to try to show you a couple different ways to accomplish that. As with everything, there's multiple ways of doing it. But you'll notice in my email account, I'm going to go up here to the right to the waffle, and we're going to click on Drive, which will open up my Drive and Documents. And so there's a couple different ways. One easy way to upload documents is to click on New. You can create a folder, which this will create a new folder in my Drive. We can also upload a single file, or we can upload a file folder. So one of the things that I want to show you is how to upload files or folders from your user folder, which is currently on the network now. So if I go to File Folder, I can then browse to my PC, and I can scroll down to my user folder. And now I can select any folder that I want to upload to my Drive. And if I select this folder here as an example, and I say OK, it's going to upload everything, all those subfolders and documents up to my Drive. If you don't have this extension, you'll notice there's about 158 megs, so that's going to run a little bit. If you do not have this Drive extension in your waffle, basically you can go to a new tab. In this new, when you open this new tab, go to Google and type in Google Drive Sync. First option you should come to is download Google Drive now for free. Go ahead and click on that. Should take you to tools.google.com. Click on download Drive, and then we want to download Drive for PC, so go ahead and click on that. You want to accept and install. It's going to go ahead and download down here to the bottom right. Once that's finished, go ahead and run that, and whenever that's done, then it's also going to ask you to authenticate to your account, and it's going to walk you through some steps on setting up Google Drive. You can also download this for Android devices or your iPhone or your iPad. Once that's completed, you will have a new icon down in your bottom taskbar that will look like this. It will be Google Drive. So what that does then is if you open like your file folders, now you'll notice I've got a link over here. Whenever I go to File Explorer on my computer, I have a link that's called Google Drive. In there, these are all the files that I have synchronized now between my computer and Google Drive. So you can drag files into here, and basically it just makes it another convenient way for you to organize and maintain and synchronize your files, so that if you go offline, you go home, you should have basically a copy of that file. If you don't have internet access to where you could open up a file in your Drive here once you're offline, edit that file, and then when you go back online or you connect back to the internet, it would resynchronize or upload that file again. So once again, it's just another little trick or tool that can be very beneficial to help you organize and manage your files. Had to regroup there a little bit. Sorry about that. So whenever you go to open a new tab, go to Google and type in this exact search, Google Drive extension. Go down to the second option that says Save to Google Drive in the Chrome Web Store. This should bring up this option, Add to Chrome, which says Save to Google Drive, Add to Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and add the extension. And once that completes, then you'll also notice that now I have another drive icon up here. I'm going to close out of this, but this is also going to be another way that I can access or upload or save documents basically to my drive. It put this Save to Google Drive icon up here in my Chrome web browser. When you first click on that, it's basically wants to link to your existing account, which I'm not going to show you. I'm just going to talk you through it. When you first click on that, it's going to ask you a series of questions to link it to your existing account. Make sure you use your jackson.k12.mo.us account. But look what really cool happens now. So basically, I'm in a screen here, and basically if I open this screen and I want to take basically just a screenshot, I can click on the drive icon here, uploading to inbox, and I can close out of here. Now if I come back over to drive, here is a picture of my screen, what I just had open. So I'm not a teacher in a classroom, but I think many of you teachers might find that very useful in ways to incorporate learning, capturing screenshots to be able to use for instruction. Basically, that's all I'm going to cover today. There's a lot of different ways to use Drive to upload files. What I've shown you here is just a few of the basic steps on how you can upload your information or your files from your existing user folder. I hope this helped, and we'll continue on with another section on additional trainings. Have a good day, mates.